All right, we have some new fittings for 2025. Now, I haven't announced this one yet. It's already in the store. It's a 4-inch by 4-inch by 4-inch Extreme Duty tee. You guys know about the Extreme Duty Y. That was something we launched in the fall of 2024. I did do an announcement on this 4-inch by 3-inch by 4-inch. This tee is Extreme Duty. It's beyond extra heavy duty. It's Extreme Duty. It's going to be a real popular tee. When you have a main line, that's a 4-inch line, and then you have a 3-inch branched line. All right, so we are catering to you guys in Florida and surrounding areas where you get tropical storms. This is when you bump your main line up from a 4-inch line to a 6-inch line. This is Extreme Duty. It's meant to be driven over. You can drive over it with a boat trailer or RV. If you got a client that parks on the side of the house and they're going to be parking on top of the system, you want a really strong coupler. So a 4-inch male end goes into this 4-inch female external, and then we have a 6-inch male end that goes into a 6-inch corrugated pipe acting as the female. So we made it correct for the direction of flow. This is a beautiful, beautiful coupler. We have a 6-inch end plug. So if you have a main trunk line, you want to put an end cap in it that is as strong as the pipe itself. This is probably a lot stronger than any pipe that you're going to snap it in, but it's a really good heavy-duty 6-inch end plug. And there's markings here that you can cut with your knife, so that way you're also taking water in from the end. This here, I know the contractors are going to be buying this up in bunches and bunches. This is a 6-inch trunk line to a 4-inch branched line. Now this is, again, for the tropical storm region where you're running 6-inch mains, Florida, Louisiana. You know, you guys get hammered with those tropical storms. And I know you're running some 6-inch mains. I know you guys are going to absolutely love this fitting. Look at that. It's well thought out. Beautiful fitting. Beautiful fitting. If you like the parts that we're making available for the DIYer, for the contractor, give us a thumbs up. It supports what we're doing. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.